How to turn off comments on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can turn off comments on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to turn off comments on TikTok, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to just come to the profile tab from the bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right hand side, go to settings and privacy. Then just go to privacy. Once you go to privacy, over here you'll find interactions and comments. Tap on comments. And then here currently everyone can comment on your videos. To change it, just tap on comment section and then just select the no one option over here as you can find it. Once you select no one will be able to comment on your TikTok videos. This way you can turn off comments on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.